To optimize your homepage and service pages for SEO, you need to focus on a few critical areas that will not only help improve rankings, but also enhance user experience. Whether you're a small business or running a large site, these strategies will give you quick, actionable steps to follow. Let's dive right into it. First, start with keyword research. Before you optimize any page, it's essential to know what keywords you're targeting. Think about the terms your potential customers are typing into search engines when looking for your services. Make sure you integrate these keywords naturally into your homepage and service pages, especially in key places like your page title, headings, and meta descriptions. But don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing can hurt your SEO. Next, ensure that your page structure is clean and user-friendly. The easier it is for visitors to navigate your site, the better your SEO. For your homepage and service pages, use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up large chunks of text. Google loves pages that are easy to read and well organized. Another must-have is optimized images. Make sure your images are compressed for faster load times, but also add alt text using your target keywords. This not only helps with accessibility, but also gives Google additional context about the content on your page. Internal linking is another key strategy. Linking to other pages on your site, especially related service pages, improves SEO by helping Google understand the structure of your website. It also keeps visitors engaged by encouraging them to explore more of your content. Don't forget to use descriptive anchor text rather than generic phrases like "click here." If you're not already using SSL, the HTTPS version of your site, now's the time to make the switch. Google uses HTTPS as a ranking factor, and it also ensures that your visitors' data is secure. Not only does this protect your customers, but it can also help with your SEO efforts. For service pages, it's crucial to provide clear, valuable content that answers the visitor's questions. Your service page should explain what you offer, why it's valuable, and how people can benefit from it. Also, include a strong call to action that guides the user to take the next step, whether that's contacting you, making a purchase, or booking a consultation. One thing many people overlook is mobile optimization. More searches are happening on mobile devices, so make sure your homepage and service pages are fully responsive and look great on any device. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites, so this step is non-negotiable. Another tip for both homepages and service pages: improve your page speed. Google favors fast-loading sites, and so do your visitors. You can use tools like Google's Page Speed Insights to check your site's performance and find out where you can improve. One last thing, make sure you're tracking your SEO progress. Tools like Google Analytics and Search Console are invaluable for monitoring how well your homepage and service pages are performing. Keep an eye on metrics like organic traffic, bounce rate, and conversion rate to identify areas for improvement. Now, here's the key takeaway. Optimizing your homepage and service pages for SEO is about balancing keyword integration, user experience, and technical performance. Focus on keywords, structure, speed, and mobile optimization to see real improvements in your SEO rankings. To recap, make sure you 1. Do keyword research and use your target keywords strategically. 2. Organize your pages with clear headings and subheadings. 3. Optimize your images and use alt text. 4. Link to other relevant pages on your site. 5. Switch to HTTPS for security and ranking benefits. 6. Provide valuable content with strong calls to action on your service pages. 7. Ensure mobile optimization and fast loading speeds. 8. Track your SEO progress with Google Analytics and Search Console. Don't forget, if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for the SEO software I recommend in the description below, only for my channel viewers. Take advantage of it while it lasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.